Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is on how I make this experimental wedding arc. Why experimental wedding arc? Well, this is because the string lights I'm using is not what I ordered. I ordered a string lights which were about 3 meters long, but when the package came, guys, they were this short, so I just said let me just see what I can do with this. So yes, it's an experimental wedding arc, guys. Let's go. And there we have it, guys, our lighted experimental wedding arc done and dusted. Yes guys, done and dusted. I'm so curious to know your thoughts in the comment section. Please drop them guys, drop them. Yes, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Shalom.